Ayan na.
Okay. And we are
Live.
live.
Alive, alive, alive.
Good
Al-
morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat dyan.
Baga bigat, malam, rabi iyo manan, apo, kakabsat. And hopefully, agtungod kayo manan, apo.
Alright. Ilocano, Pangasinan, di ko pa alam kung paano ko sabihin yun. Paano ba? Hindi ko na maisip. Anyway,
Anyway, this is
again,
Ken again.
and I'm Zap. So today is August 30th,
30th.
Friday out here. It's 11:22 in the morning here in Northern California.
Our third day of the
Third
90
day of the 90-day success challenge.
challenge.
We want to thank you for those who watch us for the first 2 days.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po sa
Thank you,
inyong
thank
mga
you for your
support.
support and thank you for your mga kumusta dyan and everything.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
All right. So,
And forgive me again, baka medyo bulol ako magsalita kasi I just got a dental
sa
appointment.
dental appointment.
And medyo numb pa tong right side. Pati pagngiti ko tabingi.
Yeah, wag kayong mabahala. He's not having a stroke.
Yes.
So, anyway,
Anyway,
so it is what? Day 3. So,
day 3.
ano ba? Ano ba ang task natin today? So, for today, our task for today in our 90-day goal, 90-day success challenge is to define our goals and objectives
Tips
for the
for the
challenge.
challenge.
Okay. So, ano ba? Ano ba? Ano ba mga goals natin? So of course, I think we somewhat tackled this the first day of our the first day of our nung first day namin. But we will uh, reiterate it again. I guess it's more on, so of course, professional growth, personal growth. Yung nabanggit namin last time is we want to become more confident in, especially, so because this is considered public speaking, right? You're in front of a lot of people, and so we want to improve on that. I want to improve on my speaking in English in front of a lot of people.
Yeah.
But hindi mahirap pa rin talaga. Tingnan mo, yan, nag-switch na naman ako sa Tagalog because there's really there's some words where it's hard to express yourself, right, in English. So, tapos alam mo na, accent natin. So, like, sometimes being confident, kung mas natitense ka, mas nahihiya ka kung minsan, if you're overthinking na dapat kailangan English lang, stick to English. Pero ang goal namin is at least we will be able to be confident in expressing ourselves in front of other people. So yun. Ano pa? Be comfortable in doing this. Pretty much
Yeah,
go
go live.
live. Because like I said, a lot of people are doing go live nowadays. Mukhang parang trend na siya sa Facebook. So, we want to be...
We want to challenge ourselves too kasi we could see yung mga nag-go live. We could see yung improvement sa kanila.
Yeah.
They're not shy anymore sa sa harap ng camera.
Yeah.
Sa atin nandun pa rin yung
Uh-huh.
nahihiya pa rin tayo.
Yeah.
But anyway, with this journey,
Well, that's why watch
mag-im-
us, because at least you guys will be the judge for that. Kung if we
got
improve by
improved, yeah.
by day 90, if there's improvement or not.
Yeah.
Yeah. So also, of course, we want to ano ba, goals of in this one is to also be able to see or improve or grow our business through this 90-day challenge, kasi at least we will be able to advertise more about our business, what our digital business is all about, right? And be able to educate you guys
And goals also to reach
and other, especially our future
or-
business partners,
Mhm.
on how on what this business is all about, how we can be of how this business can be of help to you guys to reach time and financial freedom,
Mhm.
right? So yeah, encourage or inspire our business partners as well with this. Na this are I think will be our way of um, to show our business partners na
That we are serious. We are serious with this
no,
business.
our own
or
our business, especially our business partners, to show them na andito kami para
dito
sa
kami to
kanila,
help you out.
to lead by example for
Yes, to
them.
lead.
And hopefully with this, by doing go lives like this, we'll be able to help them as well. Parang maging inspirasyon lang sa kanila, ma-boost yung confidence din ng mga business partners namin that hindi pala masyadong it's not too scary to do this type of
Yes. Especially I know it's gonna be
So,
scary sa kwan sa mga yung nag-iisa sa gumagawa lang ng Go Live, but with us masaya din pag may partner ka na kwan, may kausap ka kasi minsan sometimes you could feel na parang ano ba na naloloka ka na ba na nagla-live ka tapos ikaw lang nagsasalita. I feel you guys. At least sa amin, at least dalawa kami. We're just parang nagkukuwentuhan lang kami mag-asawa, and then you are our audience. Kaya nga nakuha din ako, shout out kay Brother Roger, na-inspired din ako sa kanya sa pag-go live nila ni Shay.
Andyan si Ate Gina. Oh, hello Ate Gina, buti nahabol mo kami. Hindi kita nasabihan pero you saw us. Thank you for watching. Woohoo! Si Ate Debbie ulit. Hello Ate Debbie.
Hello Ate Debbie.
Naimbag nga niya oras na dyan. Alam na siguro right now.
Hindi
Yeah.
ako yan. Naimbag na pala.
Si ano? Ano pala nito?
Hello
Si
Donna.
Donna. And then,
si
si Shay. Happy birthday, Shay!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday
Happy
sa'yo.
birthday to you!
She's one of our
Happy
business partner. It's her birthday. Happy birthday, Mgayam. Hello, Sis Amy. Thank you for watching. She's always catching us.
3 hours earlier lang sila Ate Debbie.
Bigat na pala.
Bigat na pala. Okay.
Okay. So, ano pa? So, sabi din, may mga message pa ang mga viewers natin. Sabi ni Donna, beautiful couple.
Couple daw sa asawa ko, mahiyain.
Okay
lang yan. Mahiyain din naman ako eh. Nagpala ko. Kumuha lang ako ng lakas ng loob yung kay Brother Roger. Doon ako na-inspired din na I should kasi partner kaming with this business, I should help out too.
Yeah. Hindi, siya yung actually talagang registered business owner. Ako lang ang partner niya. Dapat siya ang mag-show up.
Yeah.
Hindi, pinagalitan ko yan.
Yeah, I need to set an example also.
Yes. No, and yun, sabi ni Sister Shay, she's speaking on behalf of Brother Roger. Kasi we are confident dito sa business natin, kaya go na rin si Roger. Yes, yes. Yes, because yes, definitely. Nakaka-proud din kasi because we are proud digital business owner and we are confident about our business kasi legit po ang business na to. Kung hindi legit, hindi po namin, we will not do this go live. Right? We will not show our face. We are just pretty much yun nga yung purpose ng Go Live na rin is to show you guys we're not a scam. You know? Why will we risk showing our face to you guys if we are if this is not legit?
Yes.
You know? So ayun. And then what? So ano pa? Objectives natin. So of course dahil nga 90 days to, hopefully by 90 days, in the end of the 90 days, yun nga, you guys will be the judge. Do we
become confident?
Do we become more confident? Yun, yung narinig niyo yung ko. Baka hopefully mabawasan yung pag-aam ko by the end of it. Pero one thing that actually we've been noticing and we've been hearing from our business partners who've been ahead of us in this 90-day challenge is the change in mindset, which we want to also hopefully, and I think we do believe that there will be a change in mindset as we go along in this 90-day challenge, because there will be topics wherein mapapaisip ka, and then it will help, it will not only the topic will help us tawag nito, yung parang mache-change yung mindset mo. Yun yung parang naging result sa kanila. So that's one of the our objectives in here. There will be a change in mindset. And at the same time sa mga viewers na rin, kasi we will both be tackling the topics, and then because pretty much we will try to educate you as well regarding our business, and hopefully you will have a change in mindset on how you look into our business, kasi for sure for those who don't know this business yet, or maybe you've heard about digital business and you're still skeptical, then hopefully by the end of the 90-day challenge, we will have a change in mindset on how you look, how you see our business. And ano pa? Pasensya na, nandiyan ang isang anak namin. So, ano pa yung other objective natin natin?
And hopefully, makatulong kami sa mga business partners and future business partners, and to help also yung families by educating them on how this business can help them to get a time with their family and financial freedom also.
Yes.
Which is we are experiencing it already. Because unlike before, a couple of years before, talagang walang time. Kung may time man, mag-off si Mrs. And then we go to a certain place. And by the end of the trip again, balik na naman si Mrs. to cook up.
Matatagalan na naman yung next na parang
trip na naman.
bonding time
Yes.
namin. But at least with this digital business kasi mas hindi na namin,
When you
hindi
say
na ako
when you say bonding time is not only yung paglabas-labas, bonding time namin mga bata, at least we are getting closer, at least yung kasi nga with this through social media is yung mga posting namin. Ito kasama nila yung nanay nila nagti-TikTok, getting closer.
Kita nyo lang.
Yeah.
Sa mga nag-likes.
And then minsan napapasali na rin ako. It's just with this digital business, let's just enjoy this ride, and kung lang, dapat masaya ka sa ginagawa mo na to,
Right.
in order to pursue yung mga goals na gusto mong maabot.
Yeah.
Kasi kung hindi ka naman masaya, kung napipilitan ka lang, hindi mo mararating yung mga gusto mong mga goals na gusto mong matupad.
Yeah, no, kasi yun nga yung sinasabi niya, kung hindi ka masaya, di ba? That's definitely one of the things na talagang something that, di ba, it motivates you to work kung masaya ka, or parang mas madali ba pumunta sa work kapag masaya ka, nag-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo. But if not, di ba, dun ka na parang nasa-stress ka sa work, or kung anything that you do, even with like side hustles or businesses that you do, kung hindi ka masaya, 'di ba? Parang wala yun, napipilitan ka, hindi ka magla-last long doon. But in this business that we've been doing for about 10 months now.
10 months, yes.
We've been enjoying the journey.
2 years na, anniversary natin. Kaka-anniversary lang natin noong August 27. Magwa 1 year tayo sa October with this business. No, di celebration ulit.
Hindi ka, sabi mo 2 years, parang 2 years.
Hindi, 10 months nga. 2 months pa lang pala. Mag 1 year. Kaya pala napaisip ka.
2 years.
Sorry, gawa ata ng kwanto yung numbness ng
yung lidocaine yan.
Oo.
Ayun, sabi nga ni Ate Gina, yes, less stress. Teka lang, balik tayo sa sa comment ni si Ate Debbie, 8:30 pa lang nila
Yeah,
doon
mas
in the
ahead tayo
morning, ahead
ng
pala
3
tayo.
hours.
Ano sabi ni Sister Shay dito? Yup, yup, yup. Kasi this is an amazing business, kaya our goals and objectives are stronger than any other
Yes,
challenges.
that's
Yes.
true.
Ano ba to? Less stress. Yes, totoo. Less stress talaga, more joy, more fun in this business.
Mhm.
Ayun. If this business will change our point of view in life when it comes to working for others versus working for ourselves. That's right. Um, ano ba? You need to show to have a goal. Okay. Si Donna, thank you for staying with us, Donna, ha? Correct pa po kayo dyan. Dapat po masaya kayo sa ginagawa ninyo. Yes.
Oh, what?
Actually, I'm
Nakahabol.
enjoying watching or seeing your post too, Donna, ha?
Mhm.
Ano siya, nagzuzumba, Zumba instructor siya.
Uy.
Yes. Hi, hello, hello. Ay, nahabol tayo ni
Ate
Ate
Jao.
Jao. Hello, Ate Jao. Good morning.
Morning,
Napaaga
morning.
ang gising mo. May work ka later. Yes, a business that feels like you're
You're
on
on
vacation.
vacation.
That's
Oo,
correct.
tama nga.
Yes.
Yeah.
Parang, lang, parang noon kasi, nung without this type of business before, parang ang hirap
Ang hirap, yeah. Yeah,
maglabas
we're
ng pera ba
stressing.
na gumastos ng parang kasi 'di ba yun nga yung I think nabanggit namin yung regular yung quality time doesn't mean na kailangan yung magarbo, you will go
Out.
to expensive places with
Mhm.
your family like Disneyland or whatever ng mga parks na ganun.
Mhm.
Hindi. Quality time can be just simple, just going out with your kids to eat out, go to the park and everything. Pero sometimes it involves kasi 'di ba lagi siyempre kakain kayo sa labas, i-treat mo sila, gagastos ka.
Just a
Before
simple
parang medyo parang
tight.
tight or iniisip mo yung mga
Sabi nga nila,
gagastos mo. But when
Ilocano, nakakuan daw yan. Ang Ilocano, naka-position ng pang-boxing kasi nga, kuripot. Ayaw mag gumastos. Kaya
hindi po ako purong
close,
Ilocano.
parating close sa
Hindi ako
fish
purong
siya.
Ilocano kaya hindi ako ganyan.
Ngayon, napalitan yung mindset ko ngayon. Ganito ako ngayon, open. Open palm
Pero
na
no,
ako.
because
Open.
at least kasi with this digital business kasi, maraming nata-tax write-off. So, actually, parang kahit gumastos ka man, hindi ba mabigat sa bulsa kasi you know that you can tax write it off at the end of the
Mhm.
year. So, parang okay lang pala
It's
at
just like,
least 'di ba?
yeah, it's just like you're putting your money in a bank na nagsisave doon. By the time na kailangan mo, mahuhugot mo na.
Oo, yun magandang illustration
Ganon.
ni Mister. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so parang mas nag-enjoy ka talaga. Sige, ano pang gusto niyo? Gaganon ako minsan. Ano pang gusto niyo?
Ay, nag-react si Ate Debbie, sabi niya, ay di naman, di ako kuripot.
Ako rin ate, hindi naman.
Oo, hindi,
Hindi, kung lang
hindi
yung
naman.
nagiging lang ng mga parang stigma ba or ano ba, yun ang pag-iisip ng iba ng mga Ilocano daw
Kuripot.
kuripot ba?
No,
No,
we're just kwan. Being kuripot means yung kwan naman, is yung pag gumastos tayo, yung necessity talaga. Yung
yeah.
hindi naman kailangan, you don't have to spend your money sa mga hindi naman kailangan dapat. So, shoutout sa mga Ilocano dyan.
Si Donna sabi niya, okay. Oh, yes, quality time is all the time in the eyes of the children nga daw. Yes, that's true. Kaya nga, actually, that's another reason why, itong digital business na to, pinasok namin because it's very flexible,
Yeah, and
Eh,
it will help you.
kasi nga, one of, yung panganay namin, magti-teenager na. So, and then, we're noticing, or yung actually yung pinakasalita niya na medyo na ano ko is, yun nga, laging tulog si mommy, ganyan. So, parang,
Yeah,
and
parang sometimes
iniisip ko lang na parang baka I'm
yeah.
missing that stay, maybe she wants more. Actually no, she's been, sometimes she gives me a card or
Mhm.
letter, and parang nakikita ko dun sa sa message niya is actually she wants more time with me. So talagang kailangan, we should not be ignoring those type of those signs or those
Mhm.
messages ng mga anak natin. Kasi you know, pag na-ignore natin yung mga yun, malay mo, you don't know kapag lumaki sila, baka yun pa yung, baka dun na siya didistansya. And ayoko yun, you know. Mas gusto ko, lalo na mga puro babae itong mga anak namin. I want to show them na I'm there for them. Sabi ko nga sometimes you can treat me as your friend. Sabi ko if you know, kasi kung minsan parang natatakot sila pag yun na yun. Yun na yun, lalo na yun. I noticed na parang pag tinawag ko sila, para silang takot pumunta sa akin, parang iniisip nila lagi magagalit si mommy or may nakitang mali na naman si mommy,
Mhm.
gano'n. Compared to how they react when it comes to their dad. So sabi ko, teka lang, it's not, even though, yun nga, trabaho nga ako ng trabaho, I'm doing that, but they don't understand it yet, di ba? Yung iba sinasabi nila, maintindihan nila later on when they get old, na yung mga ginawa mo, sacrifices mo is for them. But then again, you know, tawag nito,
Mhm.
hindi yung time, ano yun? Meron yung term doon na sinabi nila is yung time na nawala is already wasted. Hindi mo
Wasted,
na
yeah. Hindi mo
maibabalik
na
yun, 'di ba?
maibabalik yun.
Hindi mo na maibabalik yun. So, while they're still young, while we can still, there's still
Yeah.
time na dapat
Create
ipakita natin.
every minute a
Every,
memory
yes, with them. So,
with them while they kuan.
yeah.
And ito knowledge ko lang to si Aiza from Canada watching us, and si Jenny. Hello.
I-feature ko rin yung sinabi ni Ate Gina kasi we were talking about yung patungkol sa tax write-off. Yes,
Yes.
yun nga, nabusog ka na, nag-enjoy ka, at na-write-off mo pa. Yes, that's the good
That's
thing.
true,
That's
yes.
one good thing about our digital business. So,
Yeah, we keep on telling
napakaganda.
this one sa write-off kasi nagawa na namin last year. Kaya we're speaking it.
Yeah, yun sinasabi niya. Na-tax, so because we joined late last year and we were able to claim yung mga expenses namin dito nung for our taxes, and yan, na tax write-off namin, may refund kami. So talaga really tested na namin itong business na to.
Yes.
And plus it is tax registered. So legit po itong business na to. I just want to make a shout out to Carol din. Carol, thank you for watching. Nahuli mo kami. But ano pa, so yun yung, we will make it short kasi lagi na lang nagtagal namin.
Mapapahaba,
22
no?
minutes na kaagad ulit. Naku, di naman napapahaba. Kasi nga parang nagkukwentuhan lang po kami. Di ba?
Yeah. And then ano pa yung objective natin? Magkaroon ng leads and bagong business
Yes,
partners.
of
Yeah,
course.
definitely.
Hopefully,
When
pag napapanood nyo to,
we claim it already. Yeah, just yun yung kagandahan ng business na to. You have to manifest it, claim it already, kahit wala pa dyan, claim it already kasi in due time, darating yan at makukuha nyo rin lang yung mga yan.
Kasi pinag-pray natin, di ba? Pinag-pray
Yes.
kasi
Just like sa share natin yung verse. Share mo yung verse
Okay.
with the Galatians 6:9. Let us not grow weary of doing good, for in due season we will reap if we do not give up.
Oh, yun.
Yun. Or may ibang explanation pa yan na God wants us to pursue excellence and doing good, and we will reap the harvest if we do not give up. Yun. Ganun lang talaga. Ano?
Na-distract na tayo
Na-distract
dito
na
sa
ako
bata.
sa maliit na to. Ito here. Kaya nga sa Galatians na yan, yung verse na yan, let's just not weary.
Grow weary or mapagod sa kasi yun nga, since we already know, we tested this business and we know it's actually helping a lot of families. We want to share this business to you guys kasi nga we know that this can help you. So by doing this, I think through this, by sharing our business to you guys, that's also parang example of doing good. doing good for others.
Mhm.
And just parang yun, parang continue doing it, continue sharing this great opportunity to other people kasi in due time, sa time ng Panginoon, He will bless you.
Yes.
Yun yung parang gusto naming ipaano sa mga kapwa naming mga business partners dito sa business na to. Let's continue to work on our business. Don't give up, you know. Um,
We're here to help you out also, and we continue praying for it also, na lahat tayo maging successful. Walang maiiwan kasi yun din ang kagandahan with our community.
yeah.
Walang
Tulungan tayo.
sapawan, walang iwanan, just like with those networking element. Yung mga yung mga nasa taas lang.
Nakaganon siya.
Kaya nga nabubuyoy ako eh. Meron pa rin yung numb eh. Kaya with our community, yun yung kagandahan with our community, and I'm proud of na talagang tulungan whoever is working also, siya yung nabibless. Siya yung nabibless more. And with our community also, tulungan talaga, walang iwanan, help out each other. Because sa atin kasi, we have only one goal.
Pare-pareho tayo.
Pare-parehas tayo ng one goal. Kaya parang kwan lang yan. Isang chain reaction lang yan. Pull lang tayo lahat. Hindi tayo push and pull. Pull lahat.
Pull up.
Pull up, not push and pull.
Yeah. Anyway, so
Yeah,
ano pa? May dadagdag pa tayo? Cut na natin kasi masyado nang matagal. But thank you again for watching
hello,
us.
watching si Amy Madriano.
Si ate nandito siya kanina.
Ah.
Si Kwan mo.
Shout out. Maganda yung club namin nila Kwan, Kuya Casey Abad. Yeah. Kami mga professional stay home dad. 'Di ba? Kami kahit Kwan, we're just staying at home, we're earning money also na.
Yes.
Hindi lang sa nakakatulong na kami sa bahay, we help with our finances too. Yun ang isa kong pinag-pray noon. Saan kaya ang business na to na we could help matulungan kami sa mga bagay-bagay kahit nasa bahay.
Yeah, kasi ito pa ang kinaganda ng business natin. Anyone can join this business. You know, yung mga nasa stay-at-home parents, kahit busy ka pa nga, kami na mga nurses na may multiple jobs can still do it.
Yes.
Or even those retired people had joined this business and they are actually successful in this business.
So that's why
and actually I've just seen it in our community page na merong 18 years old. Naku, nakakatanggap na siya or makakatanggap na siya ng ano, or no, she got to the first major milestone. 18 years old pa lang yun. Naku. Mayaman na yung batang yan pag ano.
Yeah, that's why sa business na to is less stress,
more fun. More
Bakit?
fun da. Paano ba? More joy?
Yeah, more joy. Kaya
join now. Hindi, meron yung tatlo yun eh. But then yun, less stress. Definitely less stress from this business. So anyway, again, thank you for watching us. Again, continue to support us, follow us in the next coming days.
Yes, and
malayo-layo pa ho kami. It's just the day 3 of our 90-day success challenge. May ilang araw, marami-rami pa.
Hopefully, you guys get inspired and encouraged sa mga pinagsasabi namin dito.
sabi na sa akin, di ba? Parang nakakabaliw nga naman talaga pag mag-isa mo nagsasabi. Yes, that's true.
Yes.
Pero maganda pala pag kasi dahil dalawa kami, para kaming ano lang.
Ano ba?
Nagkukwentuhan lang.
Nagkukwentuhan.
Yeah. But anyway, so we still want to invite you to actually check out our business, our website. We are the owner of this website that you can see in your screen. It's the www.ginozap.com.
Just register there, put your name and your email, and you will see that free webinar. And then if you are ready to the next step, just click that button and contact us. We will guide you on what to do,
Yes.
and we will help you. Not only guiding you, mentor you, and help you also, and pray. And we pray for you also.
Yes, yes. So again,
This is Ken,
I'm Zapra.
and we are proud digital business owner. Ulitin natin. So kaya join na. Less stress,
More joy.
more fun.
So join
Join
us. Pakita mo pakita mo itong
Kaya join
pang-apat na anak namin
us.
na makulit. Ay,
Yay! Yes.
sa labas kami so that we can be away from her sana para
Yeah.
matahimik pero wala. Nasundan kami. So wala. All right. Well, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you everyone again.
See
Have
you
a good
again.
day.
See you again
God bless you all.
tomorrow.
And we are signing off. Bye.